Hi there friends, you're on Vala's channel. Today I'll show you how to set live wallpapers on the lock screen and desktop for Windows 10 or 11. For that, let's open the Microsoft Store so we don't download the app from a browser and type in lively wallpaper. Here it is. And hit install. Here we go. It's a free and open source program that lets users install animated or interactive wallpapers. Interactive ones are those you can interact with, like those that move with the cursor. Here we go. Now we wait for the installation. So after downloading, which by the way took quite a while, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, let's open the app. Pausing for 5 seconds. Here we go. So there's a gallery where you can choose. You should be able to use your own, but for some reason it's not working right now. But basically, people will upload different live wallpapers here. Basically, there are already some ready-made wallpapers that you can set for yourself. Here we go. But you can also add your own. To do this, you'll need to hit the plus button and either download a live wallpaper file from the internet or provide an address or link and then set them for yourself. That's it. Vala was here with you. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.